Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm one of the Community Youth Offer Coordinators for YEPS. I'm here to talk about the Your Voice survey from 2023. Just under 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice survey in 2023, whereby you told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that really matter to you. As part of this survey, we were very excited to hear your thoughts on social media and the internet. A whopping 96% of young people who took part in this survey said they use social media. You said the most popular platforms you use were YouTube, WhatsApp and TikTok, which were used by more than 80% of you. Almost 90% of you answered that the most popular way young people access the internet was by using their personal smartphones. 58% said using a laptop or computer, and over 40% answered that they use a tablet or iPad. You were also asked how you use the YEPS app. 83% of you said that you use your YEPS app to book onto activities, for instance after-school clubs, half-term trips, etc., while 11% said that you use the app to read and submit articles. The Your Voice survey will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter most to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice survey and the things that matter to young people, you can follow the link below or scan this QR code.